Hi guys, we received this Snailax Shiatsu massage pillow with heat for reviewing purposes. It has 4 massage nodes and 3 modes of vibration, and it has heat, which is really nice. So let's take it out of the box. This is the power adapter. I'm gonna connect it to the outlet that I have right here. Second. And this is the main unit. Here we have the user manual, which is nice. And this is a massage, okay? You can use it with this cover or without it. I'm gonna first test it with it, and I'm gonna plug it in. Let's test it without the heat. It feels really nice. It's really nice, very easy to use, and it's a great option to keep up as a gift for your partners, your dad, your mom, whoever you wanna give it to. It's a great gift, I think. Gift idea. It's comfortable, which is nice, and I will really recommend it. See ya.